Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I will show you which screen recorder software I use to record my YouTube video. As you can see here, a lot of videos I have recorded, and almost 90 to 95% videos I have recorded by using this screen recorder software that I will show you now. And this software is really amazing. I like it a lot. This is the software. The name of the software is Berrycast. As you can see here, a pop-up, and you will get one little pop-up on the side of your desktop basically. And let me show you how it will look like. It will look like this. See, you have to just click here, and then you can just start the recording, and then you can start over. You can pause from here, and then see they have marker in different size and color. You can change the colors from here. You can draw in anywhere you want. See, you can draw in different color. You can change the size. You can increase or decrease the size. You can erase these things from here also. I hope you get idea guys how amazing it is. And then if you do not want to write now, just click here arrow button, then it will gone. I hope you get idea guys. And then see, there have camera option. So if I off it, then I will be vanish, and then if I on it, then you will see me again. And then they have two type of microphone. That means you can record your PC sound, also you can record your own voice. See, when I will off this one, then so I hope you haven't heard me. But if I off this one now, any PC sound will not be recorded. So these are the things guys. You can delete your recording from here, and if you are done, just you have to click here on this done option. So it's really amazing guys. And the more amazing thing is, see, here is the software, and see here a lot of videos I have recorded here. A lot of videos I have recorded here. And whenever you will record any video, the video will be uploaded automatically to the Berrycast server, and it's unlimited. That means you can upload here unlimited number of screen recording. Also they have record option. You can click here on this record, and then you can record you. And then they have upload video. That means you can also store here your external videos. So you can also use this tool as your video cloud storage. I hope you get idea guys. You can download the videos from here. If I enter to the video section, one of the videos, see, this is one of the video that I have been recorded recently. And here you can see how many view you have gotten on this video. If you share this video to anyone, then whenever someone will view this video, then you will get an instant notification. See, I will copy the URL, and then let's say I will open it in a browser, and just notice that I will get one notification. Instantly I will get one notification whenever someone will view my video. Now if I play it,
Hello
then
guys,
I
welcome
hope
to
I will
Passivern.
get
In
one
this video,
notification. See, here is the notification. Sweet, someone is watching your video. Click to open. So in this way you can get notification whenever someone will view your video. You can edit the video also. You can move these videos in different folder. If you see, I have a lot of folders here. See, they have a lot of folder. You can folderize the videos. See, if I enter to one folder, you can have multiple video under one folder. In this way you can also organize your videos. After that, they have more feature. See, you can share a specific folder. Let's say you want to share this demarc report folder. Just click here three dot and then share, and then you can make it public, or you can also make it restricted. See, here is the restricted, and here you can also make it password protected file. That means you have to give one password, and people who will know your password, they can access your folder only. So these are the things, and here is the link. You have to share this link to the people. I hope you get idea guys about this folder section. And see, they have rename, move, and delete option. Now I'll show you. There have a lot of other feature. See, they have setting, and from the setting section you can basically control whether people can download your video or not. If you enable the download option, then people can download your video, otherwise they cannot download your video. You can allow comment. You can also show the analytics of the video to your viewers if you want. Also they have password protection. option guys, you can make the video password protected. After that they have thumbnail. You can add thumbnail to your video. So when someone will get your video link, then at first they will see the thumbnail, and then when they will play, they will see the video. So it's like YouTube guys. You can delete the video from here. I hope you get idea. And here see, I am seeing the analytics. It has gotten one view. And see here, you can download the video, and here people can comment. You can also reply them. Let's say hello, and then here I'll just post it, and then it will be posted. So these are the things. You can comment with video also. See, they have option to comment with video. I hope you get idea guys about this video section, and it's really amazing. I'm in love with this video recording software or screen recording software. And as of now you are watching this video. This video has been recorded by using this Berrycast tool. And then they have custom branding also. So you can here upload your own logo, you can upload your own icon, you can change your colors from here if you want. Also you can add your custom domain here. I haven't added any domain yet, that's why I'm using Berrycast domain. But if you want to use here your own domain, then it's completely possible to use your own domain. And if you can use your own domain, if you can use your own brand color, if you can use your own custom logo and icon, then it will be completely white label, right? So you can get here your complete white label drive access or cloud storage access by using this tool. Also you can get your completely white label uh, screen recorder software by using this tool. After that they have affiliate program. You can join to their affiliate program from here. And then they have setting. So in the setting they have a lot of feature: comment to videos, view on my videos, desktop notification. You can enable these notifications. And see, they have launch Berrycast on startup, and then show watermark on video. If you want, you can show the watermark, but I do not want to show the watermark. And then start record with internal audio enabled, start record with microphone enabled, start record with camera enabled, start custom mouse pointer. See, I hope you can see the pointer here. One blue pointer you can see. You can disable this pointer from here. And countdown duration, that means when you will start the recording, it will give you time to prepare. And here I have selected 5 seconds. That means after starting the recording, it will give me time 5 seconds to be prepared. You can select here 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can also add here manually. So these are the things. After that they have auto copy link into clipboard. You can have it. And then show launchpad, the green widget at left. So it will show the launchpad. Now what this launchpad is, I have shown you these things already. Let me show you again guys. See, here you will see one launchpad. See, here is the launchpad guys. I hope you get idea guys. In this way you will get one launchpad that I cannot show you right now, but I hope you get idea guys. After that, show tray icon. So there have a lot of feature guys. You can control your full setup by using this tool. And the most amazing thing is they are offering you unlimited hosting or video hosting. You can use this tool not only for your screen recording, you can also use this tool for your video storage platform. I hope you get idea guys about this tool. And now the last thing is, if you want to see the pricing of this tool, they are offering this deal. You can also get their lifetime deal. See, on the software they are offering one time payment, so you can get their lifetime deal on 79 USD. But you can get 20% discount guys on this pricing for your lifetime. Just go to the description of this video and just use this coupon here. See, Passivern coupon. Just use this coupon if you buy it, and then you will get 20% discount on this pricing also. Also you can get their monthly plan. It's only 7.99 USD. In this plan you can also get 20% discount if you use this Passivern coupon. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And if you think you need one screen recorder tool, and if you think this video quality is enough for you that you are seeing right now, this video is being recorded by using this Berrycast software also. So if you think that you are enough with this tool, then you can get this Berrycast lifetime deal or monthly deal with 20% discount by using this Passivern coupon. I will give the link of this deal in the description of this video. If you think as this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. because it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. Also, they have free trial. You can use their free trial if you want. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this tool. The tool is really amazing. I'm completely satisfied by using this tool, and I'm regularly using this tool, and in future also I will use this tool. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.